Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Because, sir, today is a very historic moment for the people of our state. It is with a great sense of pride, a great sense of honor, and a great sense of humility that I would like to inform this House and all the citizens of our state that a bust of our great freedom fighter and great leader, Tirot Singh, is being unveiled in Dhaka, in Bangladesh today. Mr. Speaker, sir, Tirot Singh is a symbol of hope, a symbol of bravery, and a symbol of patriotism. Today, by unveiling the bust of Tirot Singh in Dhaka, all of these have been recognized, and I would like to officially take this opportunity to thank the government of Bangladesh and the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh. I would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister of India, the Government of India, and all the other stakeholders who have made this a possibility. So as I speak, our team, which is headed by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mas Balangdhar, our Art and Culture Minister, Paul Lingdo, our Health Minister, Kong Amperin Lingdo, and our State Planning Board Chairman, Metba Lingdo, along with different traditional heads, himas of different CMship, different community leaders, different academicians, different artists, and members from the press are in Dhaka today to be part of this memorable and a very, very historic moment.